Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to share how to create strategy content faster, or at least how I create strategy content faster, and why the system works for me, what are some templates that I use, and step-by-step content creation process that you can easily replicate for yourself. Okay, the first step is obviously having a list of topics that you can choose from. The second step is picking the topic that you want to talk about. In our case, it is how to create strategic content faster. And then the third step is obviously you can use slides if you have time to create slides, but since we are talking about creating strategy content faster, I prefer using a simple Google Docs and putting everything there as slides or references, and then using it just as I record my screen. So the first step is actually recording the Loom video. As I'm talking to you, I'm recording this screen, and what I'll do with this, it will definitely create the anchor content, and by anchor content I mean the main content, and from that main content I will create spark content that we will post on LinkedIn or other social media to bring people back to the anchor content wherever we are hosting it, whether as a newsletter or as a YouTube video or as a PDF or as a course. So and then converting that anchor content, repurpose it into your chosen. Okay, so we have already covered this part, and then promoting your anchor content. So we will use templates to write post for LinkedIn to promote our anchor content, and then we can create like 10 to 15 spark content from it, and link as many content pieces of content back to the main content as possible, and then repeat the entire process. So as you can see here, it can be stories. So for example, I used to spend 10 hours a week creating content until I created this simple system. Here is how it changed everything. Then it can be opinions, it can be carousels, it can be case studies, it can be quick tips. You get the idea. Okay, so then you can promote it before actually publishing the anchor content. So for instance, here I have an example. Creating content that gets results doesn't have to be hard. Tomorrow I am sharing a step-by-step system to create strategy content faster, so you can focus on growing your business. It will have these takeaways, and then you want early access, you can join here, right? And then after posting that piece of content, you can have a post CTA post. That is again a similar post, but it says yesterday I shared a step-by-step system to create strategic content faster. So you get the idea. Now let's get to the part that will actually make your life easier. As I'm recording this video, I cannot actually take you to the transcript of this video, but I have already recorded one video, and here you can see the transcript, right? And here I have the entire transcript of the video, that is how to create strategic content faster, and you can just open a new Google Doc, right, and paste it here. And now you have, if I can increase the size, you can see, so I have the content here. So now even if I use an AI tool, let's say ChatGPT or any other tool, and I say do not write anything from, sorry, it can by the way read if you make typos. So okay, convert this content into a newsletter. Keep my tone of voice and personality. Do not add any text, jargons, etc. And then if I paste here, now you can see, because I use this ChatGPT very frequently, and it knows what I do. So it has created a newsletter for me, right? And this is, by the way, not something that ChatGPT has written for me. It is what I have written based on the transcript, and ChatGPT has just formatted it, removing these time mentions here, right? So you can see it's a piece of it's a newsletter, right? And then you can use this newsletter to create your spark content, story content, opinion content, and any other type of content you want. So that's how you create strategic content faster using Loom, Google Docs, and then ChatGPT or any AI tool that can actually format what you have written. Hope it helps.